Okay, so Penny's in line. I just can't wait. And I know she can't wait either because it's been a while since, we actually came out here and did something. Let me tell you something. Penny was due. She was overdue. And she's well worth it. She's well worth it because Penny gets me wherever I want to go. All I have to do is take care of her. She's coming through. Don't worry. She's coming. She's coming. I'm going to share with y'all just how this thing works. And you all gonna say this thing is so damn cute. And it's so convenient. I just love it. I just love it when I come here. No, we ain't in the Baseball Hall of Fame, but they got somebody back there on the wall. Okay, hold on. She's coming. I'm really gonna get that triple foam right there. She's coming up. She's coming up. There's Penny. There's Penny. Look, she's winking at me. She's winking at me. Ain't that cute? They got little bubbles on the window. Yep. That's Penny. There she is. Ain't she pretty? She's getting all soaped up and she's gonna be nice and fresh and clean. Yep. That's what you gotta do. You take care of them. When they take care of you, she takes me everywhere I have to go. Yes, she does. Yep, that's Penny. Oh yeah. Don't you just love the lights? And there we go again, the cute little bubbles on the window. Isn't that cute? Look at Penny winking at me. Yes, she is. She's coming right on through. Yep. I used to call those things the green monster. All those things hanging down, twizzling all around. Oh yeah. She's coming out. We get a look at her when she's all finished up. I know they did her her inside already. And here you go with they got the ultimate rinse. They got poly wax. And then they got, no, we ain't doing no ceramic seals. No, we're not doing that. But see, she's all rinsed up and ready to go. Ready for them to dry her up and get her all nice and ready for me to ride out. All right, see you next time. Don't be afraid to go to the car wash. There's Penny. Penny's all cleaned up. Penny's all cleaned up. Yes, she is. Isn't she beautiful? Man, we went through that car wash. Came out brand spanking.